If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error that says something isn't right, try your request again later. Don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This issue is usually caused by a browser glitch, a bad cache, an extension conflict, or a network problem, and in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tech skills. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides, and let's get into it. First, let's start with the simplest fix, which is refreshing your browser properly. A normal refresh sometimes isn't enough, so on Windows, press Ctrl plus F5, and on Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces the page to reload completely and can clear out temporary glitches that prevent X from loading correctly. After you do that, wait a moment and see if the error disappears. If it does, then the issue was likely just a temporary browser problem. If that doesn't work, the next thing to try is opening X in an incognito or private window. This is one of the best ways to test whether the problem is being caused by your browser data. Open a new private window, go to x.com and sign in again. If X works normally in incognito mode, then that usually means the problem is with your regular browser session, saved cookies, or cached data. That's a strong sign that the next step will fix it. Now let's clear your cache and cookies, because corrupted site data is one of the most common reasons for this error. If you're using Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data is selected along with cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data. Once it finishes, go back to X and sign in again if needed. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may log you out of websites, so you'll need to re-enter your login details on some accounts. If you use Firefox, go into Settings, then open Privacy and Security. From there, find the section for cookies and site data and clear both cookies and cached web content. Again, the goal here is to remove any damaged or outdated browser data that might be blocking X from loading your request correctly. After clearing everything, restart the browser if possible, then test X again. Next, disable your browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy blockers. These tools are useful in some situations, but they can also accidentally block important scripts on X and cause that something isn't right message to appear. To do this, open your browser menu, go to Extensions or Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn off anything that could interfere with the website. Start with ad blockers first, then privacy tools, script blockers, and any extension that changes how websites load. After disabling them, refresh the X tab and check if the issue is gone. If it works after turning an extension off, you've found the cause. Another thing to check is your network connection. If your internet is unstable, slow, or repeatedly dropping, X may fail to complete the request and show that error instead. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or test a different network like a hotspot if you have one available. This is a simple way to tell whether your current connection is the problem. Also, if you're using a VPN, turn it off and try again. VPN IP addresses are often flagged by websites because they can appear suspicious or overloaded, so disabling the VPN can immediately solve the issue for many users. If you've tried all of those steps and the error is still there, give it a little time and try again later. Sometimes, X itself may be experiencing temporary server-side issues, and in that case, there's nothing wrong with your device or browser at all. Waiting a few minutes and trying again with a clean browser session often does the trick.
So to quickly recap, the main fixes are a hard refresh, trying incognito mode, clearing cache and cookies, disabling extensions, checking your network, and turning off your VPN if you're using one. Most people will get back into X after one of those steps. If this video helped you solve the issue, please hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another X or Twitter problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.